Hello. I'm going to essentially make a commentary of making a custom buildable, and that will be this. I'm obviously doing this after I've done the whole commentary, but it's just this, not the starvation part, you can ignore that. Yeah, so this is what it is. I should probably also mention, to actually get started with all of this, you will need the Subnautica 2 project, not the main branch. Currently it is this branch. It might get merged into main in the future, but we're still technically in the beta testing. So you just do need to get these prerequisites. For example, the custom engine and setting up the fmod stuff. Everything else here is pretty straightforward. The only thing you do need to do is link your Epic Games account to your GitHub account so you have access to the custom engine build. So this link will open for you if you have access to the Unreal Engine repo. This has to be done by law. Like, you can't distribute the engine if it's not in this fork. So yeah, just do this stuff first, and then you'll be able to open the editor, and you should be able to see all the content, like the maps. You should be able to open the maps. I'll have a link to the demo of this mod kit in the thing, but yeah, this is how you get it. You just need this. Plugins. Add. Content only. It's me. I want to make a mod, just custom buildables. No, we're going to call it, oh yeah, alright. We're going to name fancy buildables. That's right. Not fancy, we're going to call it more. That's how I did my other one. Create. Okay. Where is it? More. I just want to add it to my. There. Add to favorites. There you go. Okay, so now I want to make an RGB light. That'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it? So, yes, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to first find an existing game light. So, let's go light. No. Light wall. What's this? Oh yeah. This is the big one, it looks like. Yeah, you can see I've actually been looking. It's this one. Not that. Lamp ceiling bulb is probably called something like this. So if we click on this and then go to that. Lamp floor bulb. What the fuck? I haven't seen that before. It's probably unreleased content. Ceiling bulb, this one. Okay, yeah, this will be it. So this has this item type as well. Okay, so first I want to copy this. Okay, first I'm going to make a folder. RGB light. Just to, you know. Okay, this one has the recipe. This one has item type. So I need to get that. I need to copy this as well. Alright, I wanna rename this as well. I wanna call it RGB. So I can actually, you know, tell it's from my mod. Sorry. Buildable as well, so I guess I need to search for what am I doing? DA_lamp ceiling bulb construct data. Yeah, that's the one. So I need to copy that as well. RGB lamp ceiling bulb construct data. So now I need to set this to my RGB recipe. I'll deal with the other stuff soon. Okay, then the recipe needs the item type one. Yeah, so, and 1 titanium is fine. That's all fine, that's all fine. I'm not going to change that. So we can close this. Now, this needs changing. So this is the localization. Currently it's set to this ST buildables. I want, like, you can do that and then set it here, but that's not proper. We need to do it properly. So you go into miscellaneous, create a new string table, st_RGB lights, and we're gonna create ceiling RGB. Is it lamp ceiling bulb? Name, no title, and that's gonna be RGB ceiling bulb. Wait, what's the small ceiling light? RGB small ceiling light, and I'm just gonna duplicate this. Oopsie daisy. Guess you can't do that. RGB lamp ceiling bulb description. What's the description of this? Simple interior lighting. We're gonna change that to RGB interior lighting solution. Okay, save that. Save that. Okay, now you need to be set to st_RGB lights. And you are the title, yes, good. And you are also STP lights description. Okay, so default recipe state unlocked. I'll probably get all of this wrong anyway. Published, yes. Lighting, yes. Crony time, whatever. So the recipe is shared between the fabricator and the build menu, like this crafting recipe. So there are some things in here which matter for the crafting recipe and some that only matter for the build menu. So I think that's everything. Oh, what is this set to? 1 copper, 1 titanium, yeah, whatever. Builder pickup, blah blah blah. I think that's probably fine. Yeah, so back to this now. The item type. Okay, this will change in a second. Blah 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 blah. Don't need to change any of that. Oh right, yeah, that's the other thing. That's the output. Okay. Okay, right, construct data is the one. Honestly, I'm not sure where this is used, because there's also notify unlock here and all of this stuff. So yeah, I'm not really sure, because that's also here, so I'm not sure. I don't know. Okay, well, we'll just see if it works in game. What I need to do, actually, let's package and test it first, because then we know that the actual, so like these have been registered correctly. So more buildables, what I'm going to do is I'm actually just drag this over here so it's just there. I'm going to set, yeah, launch to Steam, and more buildables, yes, cook and install. So hopefully this is enough to test. We can tell that it's the correct one because of these. Everything else is basically the same in terms of these references and such. So let's hope that the issue doesn't come back. It would be really sad if it is. Okay, it's cooked. Let's hope for the best. I really should make a mod which skips these splash screens, like this warning. Just loads into a save instantly. I keep meaning to do it, but I need to spend some time doing that. Okay. Oh, yeah, no, don't talk about that. Okay. So, no, it's in interior facilities. Yeah, there it is. Oh, nice. Yeah, so currently it will just place this because we haven't actually changed that. But yeah, we are currently working. So RGB, small ceiling light. Okay, so let's Alt F4. So the thing is currently we're pointing towards this asset, which is here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a blueprint class based on this, and I'm going to put it into our mod, which is there. I'm going to put it into RGB light, and I'm going to call it BP_RGB ceiling bulb. So this is the ceiling bulb blueprint, the game one. It seems to be, I guess it gets flipped when you place it, or when you like, yeah, put it onto the, so this is the main thing, right, the light color. I actually haven't tested this before, so I'm gonna figure this out as I go along, which is, you know, what you gotta do anyway. So, I'm gonna do a, how should we do this? What's the difference between the spotlight and the point light? I guess the spotlight is the thing that actually puts the color onto the ground, which is what we want. The point light will be just the light emitted in this area only. It's quite a big range. So I guess we want to change the spotlight. So we can do hold control and drag it out to get a get. And we say light color, yes, get light color. So actually we want a set light color. Yeah, and so we can set the light color here. So obviously we want it to, give me a sec. We want it to change over time. So how do we do that? We do a timeline component. I've forgotten how these work. When this is, no, wait. How to time? Because you could do split and then it'll be RGB. Timer by event. Create timer. Oh, what's it called again? Oh, I guess every tick on the blueprint. Wait, how are we doing? On the set style tick enabled. Every tick we can set the color. Oh right, we can have some variables. So hello. Okay, Unreal Engine, thank you. What is it? It's a float. Yes. G B. Okay, so Every tick we want to increase this and this and this by a random amount, I imagine. So set float value. Nope, that's not the right thing. Okay, add, and then we just do like random float. Oh, random row in range. There we go. And then what's this? Between 0 and 1 probably. So yeah. No, we don't want to add. Actually, wait, I'm dumb. You can just set it to something random. Yeah, this is actually really easy, I think. It should be fine. Get rid of all these. Okay, yeah, the way I'm getting this set, so you can drag this out and do set, or you can hold Alt when you place it, and there it just puts a set one. So Control is to get, and Alt is to set. Another random, and another random. And maybe we don't want to change it like every tick, but we could do it every 1.1 seconds. Just, I don't want to lag out the game with some insane, like, I mean, I guess the amount, the speed of the, wait, I'm overcomplicating. Yeah, I am. This is what happens. We do this, do that, and it's actually this easy. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so we can get rid of this rubbish. Yeah, so yeah, maybe 0.05. Fuck it. Every tick is fine. It'll be fine. Okay, so that should be it, right? For the spotlight, at least. Maybe we'll do the point light as well. We'll do the point light as well. Why not? We'll do this. We'll set it to the same ones, just because it will probably look weird if it's not the same. Target this. Oh yeah. Sure. Gonna make it look neat, of course. Okay, so yes, that should be it. Oh right, yeah, so we got to set this as well to the RGB city lamp bulb. Save. All right, fingers crossed it works. More buildables, and yeah, that's actually like really easy. If it works, it probably won't, and if it does, but let's see, I guess. Let's just check. It's a different one every time, which is good. We don't want to set the same one. Between 0 and 1, and this is between 0 and 255, but I doubt it, right? Oh, maybe it is between 0 and 255. I guess we'll see. I don't want to load there, I want to load here, please. I think that load is like as I'm dying. Yeah, you can ignore that. So, interior facilities, RGB light. Yeah, I don't think it's... I can see there is actually possibly something coming off there, but I think we are just setting it to 1 instead of 255. So let's just F4 from that. Because if we go into here, spotlight, yeah, okay, 255, not 1. That's... But then if it was 1, it would be black, wouldn't it? So maybe it's not working. 0 and 255. That's not a good sign though. We are starting with tick enabled, correct? Static enabled. I'm not so sure if this is working because white is 255 and it was white. Imagine, okay, we'll just have a look while it's cooking. Visible. I mean, obviously it's visible. Oh, right, I think I know why. I think it should, this should be set to DA underscore RGB. To that one, I think. Yeah, I think that's right. That should be it then. I think we just built the... I think we were just building the wrong light. Possibly. I'm not sure. It's a bit strange how in here we set the actual asset actor class, but then in here we set this other thing. Maybe that makes sense. I guess we'll see. Yeah, ignore that. You didn't just see the main menu. Okay, it seems to not be working. Interesting. I mean, it does just seem to be... Okay, here's what we'll do. To check that it actually is the correct, like, actor, we'll make an edit to the actor itself. I'll just Alt F4 that. Sorry, that's probably really loud. I'll just make a duplicate. No. Should do. I'll add a new mesh. And I'll set him to something like this. Wait, is that an engine thing? Yeah, we don't want that. Sure. We'll just add this into it, I guess. So it should build that nearby. Yeah. It's weird it doesn't work. Okay, actually, you know what? We can test it in the editor. We go over here. I'm going to make myself slower. Huh. Maybe it's not being controlled by... Maybe it's being set in the game by something else. It's never easy, is it? Maybe I need to... Oh, maybe it's because I've made it a base. Maybe it's not editable. Okay. You know what we'll do? We'll make a new one. It's an actor by default. RGB lamp ceiling bulb. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this. Copy that. Copy this. I just copied in bulk, I'm stupid. Okay. So now we're not... Oh, that's weird. It's pointing the wrong way. It should not be like that at all. It should be... Oh, I guess it hasn't actually copied the... okay, it's because I'm copying from... I don't know. It's a bit weird. Huh. Okay. Thank you for that. Very cool. Guess we'll have to do a little bit extra work then. No, I can't do that. I'll just bring him over to the side so I can do both at once. Okay, so the point light is pretty much correct. 600, 16, 32, blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Yep. And then the spotlight. Okay. Maybe it's because Mega Lights is on, but I don't know. I can't be right there. Let me check. Okay, should be fine. That's just a funny business. The placement volume is massive. Okay, where's the placement anchor on this? Where he is. Okay, good. What are you? Oh, you're the... Okay, oh sure. Right, yeah, the placement volume is just like massive in the source asset for some reason, but is it like this big? Yeah, something like this, a bit bigger. Alright. Should be fine then. So now we just copy over the event graph. Nope, you don't exist. Okay. And I'm just gonna do you just in case. I'm sure it's fine, but... Okay, asset data needs to be the... This is... What? How did it copy this? Oh, right, because I copied the component. I'm done. Wait, hang on a second. Did I set the wrong thing? No, I don't know. I don't know how I got set back to that, but sure. Maybe it's because this can't be overridable. Where is it? Construction data. Not sure. Okay, and we're going to delete that one. Delete. Is the editor crashing? No? Okay, there we go. Is it because of this? Like, should be relatively fine. Alright. So... Okay, I think everything's fine then. So I guess we just try again. But now you wait. I always say, "Oh, it's that easy, guys. It's that easy." It's not that. It's never that easy. It's never that easy. It just ain't. You don't be cool. It plays disco music as well. That's just getting crazy. Problem is with music is if you played an Fmod bank on it. You have to find... No, there's no disco music in the game. You'd have to make your own, but then how do you attach it? Like, how do you make it... like the volume sliders of the game, like, apply to your modded asset. I figured it out for some other games before, but not... Is the game gonna handle there being a missing asset? Yes, it is. Nice. That's good. I can't build it though. Oh, it's constructed. Oh, okay, probably because of, I guess. Okay, well, we know it's building the right thing, so we can get rid of you now. Maybe you need to be higher. Maybe. Yeah, maybe it was going like, oh, you... Alright, I'm just gonna hope that was the issue, and then just repackage. Yeah, so having the volume slider for the, like, SFX or whatever, or the music actually, take effect on the modded item. That'd be really important. Otherwise, people, like, mod users won't be able to change the, you know, the volume of your modded sound. Let's just hope they use sound classes, like default Unreal Engine ones. Otherwise they use Fmod stuff built in, like, to the banks or whatever. That's just a pain in the arse. So I actually haven't ever added custom Fmod sound banks before.
All systems online.
Alright. Damn it, you bastard. Dagnab wabbit. I might have to make a copy of the game one again. I'm just gonna show in front of you and create a child of that, just to see what it was. I should just copy this, shouldn't I? Placement volume. That doesn't make any sense. How big is the lamp? Oh. I should have copied this before. Yeah, that's crazy. Scale is that as well. Oh, damn it. I said the wrong bloody thing. Alright, hang on. Placement. That is 15. Everything is 0. This is 15. That's correct. 1.26. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, I've just copied all of that. So now, placement anchor. One. Everything else is the same. Okay, now lamp. Okay. Yeah, so that's all the same. Rotation. Okay, that's a bit weird. Here's a version of 22. Huh. No, that doesn't make any sense. What is happening? Oh wait, he does just have a position of 22, I'm done. I've set it there, that's why. He's got -26. Okay, wait. Now I'm getting confused. The fuck? Pain in the ass. Whatever. I'll just see if that worked.
All systems online.
Dang it. I mean, I can place it, which is good, I guess, and it looks different, but it's not RGB. Damn it. Okay, time to do some... No, that doesn't work. Can't print that. Yeah, like he looks obviously different. Wait. Oh, don't you dare play that flute sound on me. No. Stop doing it. Wait, I think... No, okay. I think it's just the game being funny on me. Alright. Okay, well, we've gotten somewhere at least. We can place it. Stop moving things. Don't want to move things. Right. Does not make sense. No, wait, it is between 0 and 1. Oh, for goodness sake. Okay, hopefully that's the issue. Please, please, please be the issue, I beg. Please. It says 255 there, but I don't think it is. Like this is 1. Because if it was setting a range, if it was like on the off chance in 1 tick, it would go between, it'd be like between 0 and 1 when it was set to 0 to 255, which is like a 1 in 255 chance per tick. So it's basically never going to happen, and if it did, it would only happen for 1 tick. So it's always it was always white. So yes, I really hope that's fixed it. Eek. I didn't compile it though. Oh no, I didn't compile it. No, wait. I think it's fine. I think I did compile it, but I just moved around the sliders. Okay, if it doesn't work, it might be because I didn't compile it. Oh dear. No, because it compiles it when it cooks. Yeah, so it should be fine. Well, I don't know. I'm not going to assume that if it doesn't work. Okay, please work. Fuck! Wait! Yes! It's working! I can see the RGB. It's just going way too fast. That is nightmarish, in fact. So let's not do that. Let's make it slower. Yes, the original intention. I mean, honestly, it would be nice to have it be. Yeah, this is actually, I'm dumb. This is not gonna make it go up and down slowly, is it? Okay, I'll figure that out later. For now, let's just set this to 0. Every half a second. Also, this is not changing. Maybe it is, but... Oh no, it's the mesh, I think. I think it's this emissive material. But it seems like there are no overrides being allowed. I guess I could set it to... No, because there's no color on that. I'm not really familiar with... Let me see. Wait, what? Oh, I'm in the child. Let's close that. Mesh. Get material by slot. Index by 3. Pass to MI. No, I don't think I can do that. Set material parameters. Parameter? I don't think I can do that. Oh, right. I don't know how it works. Okay, we'll just ignore that. We can deal with that another time. Yep. I guess we'll just compile it and find out. It is a bit annoying that this is set to nothing. I think it is this. We do need to change that. Like, the color of that is set to white permanently. So that material instance... The problem is I can't make a new material instance because the game will crash because shaders are still not working. And that's because they made engine changes to the shaders. I mean, it makes sense. It's a game with water in it. It would almost certainly need that. And for shaders, custom shaders to work, the serialization would need to be the same, and for that, I would need to do engine changes. There we go. RGB light. Nice. It's sad. I hate this material. Why is it white? It shouldn't be white. But hey, I mean, it works, I guess. It's not very bright though. I guess we'll get rid of this one. Aha. Okay, what if we just spam them everywhere? No, because it'll be different for everyone. Wait, you know what a good place to put it? In here, right? Okay, I get rid of these. Wait, did I add any other ones? No. Oh yeah! Oh, that looks epic. Nice. That's how you do it. Okay, we're going crazy. Yeah, let's put some music on there then. So, I actually do want to find out, like, the audio. Yeah, okay, this is it. They do have a sound class, thank God for that. That's brilliant. So basically what this is any sound effect which will run on the sound will basically take one of these classes as a reference, and these classes will decide how loud the sound should be. So you can see here the overall sound that's just for everything, and then when it's focused it should be a certain level, and then obviously so it's just set to 1, and then you have child classes, and the child classes are each individual slider, so the sliders will control what these are set to. So here the volume is set to 0.3, I believe. I guess that's just the default. Is it always play, for example, some other stuff, I guess. And then the submix controls, just click on it. Essentially like how it gets modulated and such. So the music submix is what we want. Now, the game does use Fmod. I don't know how that works really. I mean, you can install the Fmod Studio for free as a non-commercial. But I'm just going to use the built-in sound class stuff. So I can make a sound cue. So it's audio sound cue, and I'm going to call it cue underscore RGB disco. Okay, so currently we have nothing in here, but we want to use the music class, this one. No, we don't. We want to use SC underscore music. So whatever this is set to, the class will determine how loud it is. Now we can make a wave player, but I don't think the game does have quite a lot of sounds. Huh. Okay, interesting. I hope that's not too loud. Huh. The game has a lot of sounds actually. So maybe that's why.
Acid can be used to...
Nope. I go away. Okay, so I wanna add my own sound. So okay. That's pretty good. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, that's good. I'd have to log in. Please say I don't have to log in. Yes, I'd have to log in. Oh, that's good. Okay. Now I should be able to drag in. There it is. So I just dragged in the MP3 file just like directly from the Firefox downloads. And there it is. So now we have, I actually wanted a looping wave player. And I'm going to rename this to disco music. Okay, that should be it. Oh right, there's a looping on here. Okay, that's what it was. You can do other stuff like you can make attenuation, and I don't think there are any in the game. I don't want to make my own. You can also do submix. Oh, maybe I can do a music submix. That's probably smart. I'm not sure exactly what that does. Yeah, we should be good then. So now we have a queue. Now we need to go with this and add oh shit, how do you do it? I've forgotten. Is it audio? There it is. RGB disco. Yep. Should be fine. So now we do it. Test it.
All systems online.
Sorry, just unmuting my mic. Alright. Oh yeah, okay, I didn't say that's why I wonder. But wait, I just realized something. Yep. I thought so. Okay, I'm gonna test also. Okay, I mean it stopped when but that's because of something else, yeah. Let's just set the music down to 0. Yep, can't hear it anymore. It works. Hell yeah. Wait, I gotta go back to this. I gotta put it back. This is great. I love modding. It's so good. It's so good. It only took 55 minutes. And there we have it. Disco lights in the game. I mean, it's not finished because like, you can do that. Oh no, we have 2. But, you know, that's... it's in time of the music as well. That's just great. That's great. I love it. Alright, well, there it is. First mod. I'll figure out the other thing. Where you place it, but sure. Anyway, see ya. Okay, wait, actually, I think I remember now how to do the... no, that's the wrong thing. Yeah. How to do the thing, like, obviously if you place 2 of them in the wall, you'll hear the same sound twice. So what you need is a sound concurrency, I believe. So RGB lights concurrency. So I believe this means, if I remember correctly, because it's been a long time since I've done audio stuff, we can only have 1. The maximum of allowable concurrent active voices for voices playing in this concurrency group. Yeah, so don't limit to owner, file this, blah blah blah, whatever, everything else is fine. So we save that, and then I believe in here, we set this to this concurrency. So now, hopefully, we can do it up. And we should have disco mode, but if you place more than 1, it will only allow the first one to play. Actually, prevent new. Maybe that actually. Yeah, I think we want to prevent new. I don't think we. Wait. Actually, no. Yeah, actually, I think that's fine because we want it to play only the most recent one, I guess. I don't know. I don't think it really matters that much. I do think we should have attenuation on this though. Do we have attenuation? No. I'm gonna cancel that because I want attenuation. Fall of distance, it's probably fine. I don't know. Let me see. Like the attenuation is showing up now, like if we hide that, we see it, now we see it. So yeah, if we get too far, basically if we get too far away, it will, it will stop playing, or will get quieter. So yes, I think maybe this is a bit big. I think maybe that should be like 1,500. I'm just guessing. It's a complete guess. Actually, can we have this in here? No, it's not the queue, is it? Oh yeah, it's this one. Because the player is only like one of these squares. So I think that's actually quite good. Maybe the inner radius needs to be a bit larger. Where are you, Mr. Attenuation? There you are. I reckon inner radius needs to be 400. Let's go back into here. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, let's try that.
All systems online.
Alright, mic back on. Okay, so we have one. Now, there we go. Oh. Oh no. It's... No, what's happening? I think... Maybe it's because when we get further away than the other one. I think that's why. Yeah, I think... There we go. So if we go far enough away, it's gone. And we go close. And it comes back. It comes back, it hasn't continued. But there's nothing you can really do about that, as far as I'm aware. I don't really know how well it works. But if we go into Unreal Engine, obviously the fix for that issue, concurrency, is to go not the farthest, just the oldest. So, yes, I guess so. Yeah, I don't think we want to stop which one's ever the furthest away. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, I think that's right. Yeah. So anyway, I won't show you because it's obvious what's gonna happen, but it works. Great. Now I'll see you. Or will I? Maybe. I love adding new things. What if we have a Niagara particle system component, not on the audio. Just attach to that, please. And this, we want to make it is a smoke. Wind speed 0. I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm sure it's not gonna be rubbish. Okay.
All systems online.
There actually is smoke coming out of it. But it's like, it's tiny. Okay, whatever. Anyway, let's test. So we get close to this one, and there we go. It's working. Well, hey. Alright, there it is, done now. It's definitely done now. There is smoke, but I'm gonna make it bigger, I guess. I'm too lazy to do that. Like, you could see it just about, maybe not.